So the villainess who was reborn 5 times. Nakalimutan ko, tumatagal ko ito nabasa eh. So, I am Odette. I was once an heiress who had it all, but be it money, status, or fiancé. When my perfect stepsister appeared, I realized I was just a villain in this story. I, being the evil stepsister, was of course killed off halfway through the story. When I opened my eyes again, I was reburned, but no matter what I did, I died in the end. Having experienced burning on a stake, the guillotine, hanging and stabbing to death, all I wanted now was to die normally after a normal life. Please let me rest in peace. The guillotine. I don't know what it is. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know it. And this one, being bonus. Well, parang ano lang siya. Kumbaga, sa reality din fiction. Like, ano lang, more on damsel in distress or what. Light lang siya. Not really, wala namang masyadong problema dito. So, Adelia, the Perinius, the prettiest and bitchest person of the novel, a lovely girl, and the main villainess. Being madly in love with the male protagonist, the crown prince, she becomes super possessive and did not let any woman come near him. But as in any novel, the male protagonist, Rashid, falls in love with Siana, the female protagonist, and Adelia's minion, who was bullied every day. But Adelia, being Adelia, tries to kill her and take Prince all for herself. So finally, being tired of this daily torture, the crown prince, when was announced the emperor on his 19th birthday, altered some laws that enabled him to execute Adelia. So I think this is good too. Ang mga katulad nito yung crown prince. Kung nag-expect kayo na yung villain, yung villain na lalaki. Kasi most of the time yun talaga eh. Si Rashid. Ay, bro, this is good, I think. Ano to, comedy talaga, nakakatawa. Highly recommended it. And this one too. So Hyejin gets stuck into her own book. She has written there she became the villainess of her book who is destined to die in the hands of her own exclusive butler. Unable to escape her new life, she embraces it and decided to change her fate that she wrote in hopes she won't get killed by her butler. It doesn't matter if her life becomes tough or messy, as long as she's alive, she doesn't mind. Milady, do you favor me? Or His Highness mo? Nakakakilig to so far. Kasi medyo ang intimate, hindi sa medyo, pero intimate talaga sila ng butler niya. Nakakakilig yung butler niya. Yun lang. Dito muna, ang ganito lang. Kasi medyo napapahaba ng record natin. So, yeah, highly recommended itong mga books na to. Genre natin for this video is transfiguration, reincarnation, regression, whatever it is called, as long as chine-change nila yung nangyari sa future or sa flow ng story, yung novel, I don't know. Okay, bye!